So centering the divs is actually has been a classic problem in the web development and web design for years. In the modern days, many solutions exist by display the div as the table by using Flex and by using the CSS grid. But in this video, I'm going to show you how to center the divs in a much simpler way and center the divs using the classic solution by setting the margin 0 auto also needs that we already knew the width of the element, but in this video I'm going to show you how to center the divs despite the container width, even if the width is unknown. So let's create a new element. Div. And let's create the wrapper. And inside the wrapper, we gonna add some divs with content. Okay, 30, and let's add 5 blocks. You save, and this is the divs. So the divs, and for quote debugging purpose, let's add some border. I'm sorry. Add some PX solid purple. Now, by adding border to the child element of body, we can see the box construction on our page. See, this is the header, the outer component is the main, and every single divs 1 2 3 4 inside them. As you see, these divs are not in the center. We want to center the div despite we don't set the wrapper's width on the main. And to do so, let's wrapper. We set this is the most important part, width hits to fit content, because we're gonna apply these whatever the divs width are. So the classic solution, margin 0 auto, and then let's add some padding. Okay, it's centered inside. It's beautiful. It's centered despite whatever size of the divs. But let's add some wrapper. I'm sorry. The div. That's a margin. You see, all the divs inside the main container are at the center position, despite the width You see, despite the container width really nicely. So let's say with this pixels. You see, this will be much independent of the content. And for more cosmetic, let's hit the height. I'm sorry, not this. Height to auto. And let's add some nice line after each divs. So grab div after inside this part. Sorry, inside this part we set content to nothing, and add border, some border bottom. 1px is enough with gray solid, and let's see them first. Now we can't see that yet. We hit with 100%. Let's see. I'm sorry, content, not content. And let's comment this. We no longer need this anymore. Okay. Wrapper div after. Oh, it's not showing with 100%. Oh, I'm sorry. Display block. Very nice. And let's add some padding top, like 0.5 em. Really nice. That's for the header. Text line. I'm sorry. Center. So that's it. That's how to center divs in elegant, simple way. To recap, you create a container like this, main, and inside the container you have divs, whatever blocks you want. And for the container, you set the width to just fit content, so you don't have to worry about the actual width whatsoever in complex scenario. And then apply the magic classic thing, margin 0 auto. That's only in this tool liner. Okay, set the width of fit content, set the margin 0 auto, and then for the content you can do whatever you want. Yeah, that's very nice. So let's see once again the box model. That's it. Everything is set in the center really nicely. So this is the final result, centering the divs in easier way.